What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Jones Flight Academy. Today we're here to announce a brand new giveaway contest. For this one, we are giving away a Mavic Air 2. So right, a DJI Mavic Air 2 to one lucky person that enters this contest. We are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're almost there, so this very may well be a very short contest, so you'll want to enter as quick as you can. So there are two things that you have to do to be eligible. You have to put down a comment below on why you want this aircraft. It does not matter what it is. We won't count it against you. So just put down anything, and we're going to have an app randomly select one, just like we did last time. And the second thing is you have to be subscribed to our channel. We will check that. So if one or the other does not count, you have to have both in place. So with that said, good luck. We will, as soon as we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're going to announce the winner at that point. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.